Hello and welcome to Muscle Investing, where we invest from a position of strength. Whether you're a beginner dipping your toes into the world of finance or someone looking to refine their investment strategy, this video is for you. Today, we'll explore the essentials of investing for beginners, where to start, and common mistakes to avoid. If you like these types of investment videos and would like to watch more of them, smash the subscription button. Once subscribed, click the bell notification box, and you are all set. Please also consider becoming one of my patrons on Patreon at patreon.com/muscleinvesting. And now, let's look at beginning your investing journey. Step 1. Understanding your financial goals. Before diving into the intricacies of investing, it's crucial to clarify your financial goals. Take a moment to envision your future and set specific, measurable objectives. Whether it's saving for retirement, buying a home, or funding your child's education, having clear goals will guide your investment decisions. To clearly understand your financial goals, let's meet Sarah, a 28-year-old marketing manager. Sarah has a dream of retiring by the age of 55 and living comfortably. After careful calculation and consideration of her lifestyle, Sarah determines that she'll need $1.5 million for a comfortable retirement. With this clear goal in mind, Sarah can now develop an investment plan tailored to achieve it. Sarah starts by assessing her current financial situation, including her income, expenses, and existing savings. She also considers factors such as inflation, in this example 2.9%, and expected rate of return, in this example 7%. Using online retirement calculators and consulting with a financial advisor, Sarah estimates the amount she needs to save each month to reach her goal, which is $1,618 a month. She also breaks down her goal into smaller milestones, making it more manageable and measurable. With a solid understanding of her financial goals, Sarah creates an investment strategy that aligns with her risk tolerance and time horizon. She sets up automatic contributions to her retirement accounts and periodically reviews her progress to ensure she stays on track. Step 2. Building a solid financial foundation. Just as a sturdy building requires a solid foundation, successful investing starts with a stable financial base. Before venturing into the market, ensure you have an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses and pay off high-interest debt. I spoke of my first major emergency and not having an emergency fund in this video. My first financial emergency and lessons learned. To illustrate building a solid financial foundation, let's meet John, a recent college graduate who's just landed his first job. Instead of rushing into investments, John prioritizes building an emergency fund. John starts by creating a budget to track his income and expenses. He identifies areas where he can cut back on spending, such as dining out less frequently or canceling unused subscriptions. John opens a high-yield savings account specifically for his emergency fund. He sets a goal to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses, taking into account factors like rent, groceries, and utilities. After months of disciplined saving, John reaches his goal of having 3 months' worth of living expenses in his emergency fund. He feels a sense of security knowing that he has a financial safety net in place, allowing him to focus on his long-term investment goals with peace of mind. Step 3. Educating yourself. Knowledge is power in the world of investing. Take the time to educate yourself about different investment vehicles, risk management strategies, and market trends. The more you know, the better equipped you will be to make informed decisions. To illustrate building a solid financial foundation, let's meet Maria, a passionate teacher with a thirst for knowledge. In her quest to become a savvy investor, Maria dedicates her evenings to learning about investing. Maria starts by familiarizing herself with basic investment concepts such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs. She reads books like The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham and A Random Walk Down Wall Street by Burton Malkiel to gain insights from seasoned investors. Maria attends local investment seminars and workshops where she learns about various investment strategies and portfolio management techniques. She takes detailed notes, asks questions, and actively participates in discussions to deepen her understanding of the subject matter. After months of dedicated learning, Maria feels confident in her ability to make informed investment decisions. She develops a diversified investment portfolio tailored to her financial goals and risk tolerance, regularly monitoring her investments and adjusting her strategy as needed based on market conditions. Step 4. Diversification. One of the most crucial principles of investing is diversification. Spreading your investments across various asset classes can help mitigate risk and maximize returns. Avoid the temptation to put all your eggs in one basket. To illustrate the principle of diversification, let's meet David, a tech enthusiast who's convinced he's found the next big thing in the tech industry. David becomes enamored with a tech company that promises groundbreaking innovations in artificial intelligence. He reads news articles, watches interviews with the company's CEO, and becomes convinced that investing in this company will be his ticket to financial success. Ignoring advice from financial experts to diversify his investments, David pours all his savings into the tech company's stock. He watches eagerly as the stock price climbs higher, feeling a sense of validation for his decision. Unfortunately, when the tech company faces unexpected regulatory hurdles and supply chain disruptions, its stock price plummets, wiping out David's entire investment. Devastated by the loss, David learns a valuable lesson about the importance of diversification and vows to take a more balanced approach to investing in the future. Step 5. Time in the market versus timing the market. Many novice investors make the mistake of trying to time the market, predicting when stocks will rise or fall. Research shows, however, that time in the market is more critical than timing the market, as is staying invested for the long term and riding out market fluctuations. Meet Michael, a young professional who's eager to start investing, but is apprehensive about market volatility. Michael monitors the stock market daily, eagerly awaiting the perfect opportunity to jump in and make his first investment. When he notices a downward trend in stock prices, he hesitates, fearing that he'll be buying at the top of the market. As the market continues to decline, Michael grows increasingly anxious, worried that he'll lose money if he invests at the wrong time. He considers waiting for the market to stabilize before making any investment decisions. After seeking advice from a financial advisor, Michael learns that trying to time the market is a losing game. Instead, he decides to stay invested for the long term, focusing on building a diversified portfolio and sticking to his investment plan. Over time, Michael's patience pays off as the market rebounds, and his investments grow in value, demonstrating the power of time in the market. I hope this video has demystified beginning your investing journey. By understanding your financial goals, building a solid foundation, educating yourself, diversifying your portfolio, and focusing on time in the market, you can set yourself up for long-term financial success. If you haven't already, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and you can watch one of these videos next.